para malaman niyo po sa diba? Kami po naman ay sumusunod lang po sa patakaran. Diba?
Hello guys, welcome back. This is me again, Daryl. We're here in pangalan nito? Nakalimutan ko. So obviously they wanna get rid of my pop-up tent. They call it a tent when I call it a pop-up. So ito na nga yun guys. Nandito kami sa mga maraming tao beach. As you can see, bawal maglagay ng tent. Obviously itong pop-up ko kinukonsider nilang tent. So we have no choice but to pack up and yun nga, sundin na lang natin yung ordinansya. But before that, we're gonna pupuntahan ko po kayo doon. Isisetip ko lang to. Sige, thank you. Hindi na kayo? Pakihawak nga lang to. Ano?
Malinaw po dito.
Mahina?
Malinaw, maganda. Dami nga isda eh. Vlogger na ako. Welcome to my
Guys, ito yung pop-up tent, pinapatanggal. Ayan o, mayroong may umbrella. Everywhere else has umbrella. Guys, this is like a good beach, but tingnan mo yung ginawa nila sa magandang beach na baboy. Why would you put a bunch of freaking crap in ganito to the point na wala ka nang maliliguan? Hindi na siya feasible. I mean, the only consolation you get is a little bit of sand that you can play around with. Other than that, how can you enjoy swimming from this beach? Diba? Napaka-pangit yung nangyari dito. It's too populated, uncontrolled. Diba? Ang pangit. Paano ka makaligo dito? Very small place. And I question sanitation here. Given that when you look into the right, if you look into the right, all these buildings are probably not doesn't have a proper discharge as far as sewage is concerned. All that nasty discharge sa banyo pa lang mapupunta dito sa beach naman may mga taong naliligo. Tingnan mo naman ang ginawa nila, oh, ang pangit. Ang pangit talaga. Overrated place. Love. Sabihan mo na wag malayo doon kasi malayo na lalakarin natin eh. Look at how crowded it is. Ang daming tao tapos lalakarin pa namin ang kalayo-layo. All the way there. Tingnan mo. We drove here expecting a little bit of enjoyment lang punti. Pero we get all this chaos, too crowded. Ang dami, tingnan mo, ang dami nilang nilagay na makeshift. Walang maliliguan ng tama. Gusto mo dito na lang? Dito na lang tayo mag-set